Today, 6th December 2025, one very big incident. TMC leader Humayun Kabir, they are foundation inaugurate the Babri Masjid in Murshidabad district. So first of all, I oppose, I condemn this incident, and I blame the so-called Muslim community. Those people are say every Muslim community are the not same. So I ask the some Muslim, those people are serve the nation, like the nation, the mother of democracy. They belong to, they live India, they care the India, they say Bharat Mata ki jai, they serve the nation. So first of all, I request all the Muslim community came protest the Humayun Kabir this incident, and not say कि okay a mosque create, so I blame and I oppose. No, I blame to Humayun Kabir. Why name of the Babari Masjid? Why not you say APJ Abdul Kalam Masjid, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Mosque? Why not Ras Khan Mosque? Why you say, and why you a foundation new, why you stand up the Babri Masjid? One type of the discrimination and destroyed the nation. That reason Humayun Kabir TMC leader inaugurates this thing, and the whole the nation like a boil. So first appeal the all the Muslim community, please oppose and publish the fatwa for the Humayun Kabir TMC leader. Please change this name Babri Masjid. Already Hindu community face at least 500 years for the Ram Janam Bhumi. Why again burn the whole nation? West Bengal Mamata Banerjee government, or a small incident that time, Ram Nami, Dasahara, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja. So every time go to the court and they are saying they are whole lockdown of situation created the Mamata Banerjee government. And why not the Humayun Kabir doing this thing and Mamata Banerjee arrest them? Why? Because only for the vote bank of the Muslim community. Because at least 85 seat, the main Muslim community are the vote bank increase. That reason only. This is the double standard meaning of the Muslim community. They are not say Muslim, all Muslim community are the same. At least 95% Muslim community are the this type of mindset for the Gajwaye Hind. Why? You eat India, you earn India, you live India, you eat salt of the India, but you not say the Bharat Mata ki jai. Only say okay, fundamental right and the Supreme Court and the Constitution not forcefully uphold ki okay, you say the Bharat Mata ki jai. But our Constitution also don't say ki okay, you destroyed the India and you say every time Jai Philistine, Jai Pakistan, Jai Bangladesh and 57 Muslim country. This is also not provide our Constitution, na. So why this type of start the Humayun TMC leader? Double standard of the Mamata Banerjee government, and they are doing this type of thing. I appeal the all Muslim community, please came and protest for the change the Babri naam. Because Babar is the cruel, atyachari, balatkari, lutera. They kill the lakhs of Hindu community. I know our Quran, Hadith doing each and everything. What to learn, what you learn your mindset. बम लगाकर फटो, you put at your whole body of the bomb and you blast yourself, so you go to the heaven, Jannat, and those area 72 who are came. That is the not thing for the India. That India is the only sub the nation of the our constitution. So why you doing this thing? India did not done of the Sharia rule. So first of all Muslim community, please change this name. Our lot of the our great people of the Muslim community, great scholar, great doing very well. Example of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So why not you provide for their name one mosque? Why you need burn the whole India? Why you doing this type of Atankvad increase in India? Why you not love the India? What are your reason? Why you live in India? Why your every day your mind going to the Gajwaya Hind? One day kill the all the Hindu community. Those people are the kafir. Why you doing this thing? Why this mindset? Every people say ki okay, why not development of the China type of the India development? So first of all, I ask you, okay, the China provide this rule for regulation in the Muslim community of the China, which ayat and which Quran you learn, they decided the Chinese government. That region more development of the China. They destroyed all the mosque, the only roof type of the mosque, no any top, head top of the gumbad in the mosque. They are all decided. But at least 57 Muslim community did not say anything else, did not tell anything else, did not oppose this thing. Did not. So why? Because they are fear of the China. And India is the secular country. That region, every country, 57 Muslim country, and our also Muslim community doing this thing. This is the very bad thing. You leave this India, so you please care the India. Please follow the rules and norms in India. And those people of Sanatan Hindu community, Bhaichara on top. So one day I see the future of the India if we running this type of situation. Mamta Banerjee TMC support the Rohingya Bangladeshi Ghuspatia. Lalu Prasad support the Muslim community Kattarpanthi Akhilesh, DMK, MK Stalin, Kerala some leaders, all the whole the India terrorist support, the Kattarpanthi Muslim community support. So in future I see the India one day the Gajwai Hind, they doing this nation and they kill the all the Hindu community. So be a strong the Hindu community. Be careful Hindu community. Be careful Hindu community. And you together join and a strong. Don't discriminate the Unchi caste, Nichi caste, lower caste, higher caste. Don't division the category wise and caste basis politics in Indian Hindu community. Please you together join and serve the nation. All the Muslim community, India to 57 Muslim community is the ekjut. And they are saying, okay, India to all 57 country, Muslim country are the ekjut. And here India, one Hindu country in India, not a decided the Hindu community of India, they are the secular state of the India. And those area Indian Hindu community are the not ekjut. Yogi, प्रधानमंत्री से एवरी टाइम से कि बटोगे तो कटोगे. दिस इज थिंग. मुर्शिदाबाद, संदेश खाली, खिदिरपुर, and different area of the West Bengal, you see lot of many video for kill the Hindu community, for the Muslim community. You go to South India, so they 500 years one village and they say ki, okay, this is the Waqf board land, so you leave this Hindu community this area. Same condition start in the West Bengal. So please careful the Hindu community. Please serve the nation, serve the and aware the each and everything. Did not blindly believe the Muslim community. I appeal the all Muslim community. Please change this name. Thank you so much people watching this video. भारत माता की जय. जय हिंद, जय संविधान, जय भारत. Bande Mataram.